Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jason with JR Custom Designs. I got a creation here that I came up with. It's modeled after what's out there already, but I made some improvements, and I think I've created something that will definitely change the way carpenters, cabinet makers, installers do their job. Kind of give you a close-up of it. What I call it's the Cab T. This is a Cab T Pro. Some of the features that we have on this is all the sliders have little thumb screws to easily remove or install. The adapters, the sliders themselves, there's one on either side of the T. Those are 3 16-inch holes, and these are sealed ball bearing guides, and also have a center hole for your single knobs with the single screw. Alright, you got a heel. The heel on the back extends all the way out. Alright, in this configuration you get about 8 inches of distance between here, your drill hole, and the heel. And then what's good about this also is each one of these comes off. You flip it over. Now you just got close to 10 inches of travel or distance. All right. With this also, I've created, I call it a shoulder stop. What it is, it's a piece that goes on both sides. So there's 2 of them, one on either side. You got one here, one here. All right. What's unique about these is once you go ahead and set up your holes by taking your handle, whatever you're using, put it through the back, run the screws through it to line this up with your handle, tighten these down, and it's done. All right. So if you're doing single doors, double doors, this will take care of all that, and this is how. All right. So once you get your hole set up for your handle, you'll then take your slider on this end, which is a shoulder stop, again one on either side, and you'll set that to your proper distance from your material or from the edge for your handle. All right. Also, sorry, trying to do this on my own. All right, so you got your handle there. You can slide this down or slide it up, and you can also adjust this, or the middle. These 2 pieces can slide either way if you need to. Once you get this set, tighten that down. It's done. Now you can take a measurement from your center point, which there's a notch right there as your center point. And so you can also spot a line on a door or cabinet for the pool. Measure from there, from the edge of this to the center line, and then take from the center line and measure out to here and set this one to the same distance. All right. So what that allows you to do is, if you take this one here and flip it up, it's out of the way. Put that one down. Well, do it this way. All right. So now you're doing this side of the door. All right. Now if you want to do the other side, you'll flip this one up, flip this one down, turn it over. Now you're doing that side. You don't have to remeasure, reposition, or do anything, because once you set it, it's done. All right. So also, what's great about this, it's very lightweight. It's made of, it's 3D printed. It's 100% as far as the plastic, PLA, which is biodegradable. Very strong, durable. It won't rust, won't corrode, won't bend, and very unlikely to warp, because the only way it'll warp is under extreme heat. Alright, so another good thing about this, once you're all done with it, or even if you're not done with it and you have it preset to whatever you're doing, say we have it set here, right? what you could do is, one, it's got a hole at the end, so you can take it and, you know, hang it up on a nail or screw or whatever. Or if you have a belt loop, you can hang it from your belt loop. And what's also good about it is you have cargo pants or painter pants or whatever that have the hole in the side. Just shove it in there. When you need it, you just grab it and go back to work. So, and then when you're all done, you can slide everything up out of the way, throw it up on the wall. Done. Very, very unique. You also got, if you see here, you got two center points, one on the bottom, one on the top, and that's for doing your drawer faces. When you're doing your drawer faces, so you can get your center line of your door. Wherever you place the mark, you can see the mark through your view hole or view piece there. Also, with this, it comes with an extra hole, which is not reinforced. It's just got the plastic. It's still a 3/16, so you could use it if you wanted to. It's just a backup, basically, for the bearing if something happens when you're using it and you need to use another hole. You got one there. Also, we have a smaller number 6 hole, which I believe is 3/32, which you can use if you have smaller screws for your cabinets or doors or whatever you're using. This does come with a 1-year warranty against mechanical or material defects. So there's no worry there. Currently we have this one available. There's going to be more stuff to come. Working on something to try to improve on the drawer sliders, trying to mount those upright to where, again, you have something multi-purpose. Because this here, typically you would have to buy, probably at least two different jigs to do what this thing will do. And like I said, the stuff that's out there now is big and bulky. It's cumbersome. You got to buy 2 of them. Whereas it's basically an all-in-one jig for doing cabinet pulls, drawer pulls, knobs, and you could probably use it for a lot of other things besides that, to find holes or to whatever you're working on. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. On Facebook, JER Custom Designs Inc. And also I have a website right now, jercustomdesigns.com/shop/tools. You can find these on there. They will be updated soon. I have some out in the field being tested right now. And once I get them back and get the feedback from them, I'll be relaunching them on the website. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any ideas, ways that I might be able to make things a little bit easier for you, come up with some designs or some products that'll help you do your job, let me know. I'll be glad to help. All right. Thanks for your time. Have a good one.